BM. I am studying in a 5th standard. I am here to sing a poem. Sunflower, sunflower, it's raining heavily. It's raining heavily. Shall we stay here? Shall we stay here till it stops the raining? Till it stops the raining. My favorite colors, the red and the yellow ones. My favorite colors, the red and the yellow ones. You can stay with me, you can stay with me till it stops the raining. Till it stops the raining. But I can't let in here, but I can't let in here the white one, the white one. No dear, we won't stay here. No dear, we won't stay here. Sending away our friend in dismay. Sending away our friend in dismay. Good lily, we want to staying. Good lily, it's raining heavily. Open your petals wide, open your petals wide, and take us into height, and take us into height. My favorite one, the white one. My favorite one, the white one. You can stay with me, you can stay with me till it stops the raining, till it stops the raining. No dear, we won't stay here. No dear, we won't stay here. Sending away our friend in dismay. Sending away our friend in dismay. Thank you.
My name is Pranav P.S. I am studying 5th standard in Government BHS Virnakavu School. Today I show how to make a carrot halwa. Ingredients: carrot and ghee, sugar, milk, nuts and cardamom. Then ghee add pan. Then insert some carrots. And 10 minutes mix, cook. After 10 minutes, and they add milk. 3 glass. Three glass milk add. Then cook 20 minutes. Then add some cardamom. Mix. Add some 5 tablespoons sugar. After 50 minutes, carrot halwa ready. Wow!
Respected all, my
My name is Godsi Sibi. I am studying in 4th standard. My school name is VHSS Virnagavar. The summer fair. It was a summer fair. People walked to the fair ground through the narrow lane. Some of them walked and some rode on horses. Some others came on bullock carts. A little boy ran around his father. He was fascinated by toys and stopped to have a close look at them. Come, child, come, called his father. He hurried to his parents. I want that toy, he pleaded. His father looked at him, red-eyed. The boy walked away suddenly with his parents. Thank you.
I am Evan. I am going to make papadavada. It makes ingredients is papadam, water, maida flour, chili powder, salt. First mix the wheat flour with water. Next, add some salt to it. Add some salt to the wheat flour. And mix well. Then take a bowl and place it in the oven. Now pour oil on it. The oil is ready. Then take a papadam. And dip it in the flour. And put it in the hot oil.
My name is Vaishnavi VN. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Government VHSS Veeranagavar. I read important news. India records world's highest one-day tally of COVID-19 cases. Oxygen tank leak in Nashik hospital kills 22. CM Uddhav orders high-level inquiry. 6th phase of polling in West Bengal. Delhi 431 new cases to COVID deaths in 24 hours. PM Narendra Modi flags off Padayatra from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi. Kerala reports highest daily cases in India. IMA seeks testing to be increased to a lakh per day. 6,960 new cases in 24 hours. Sports news. IPL 2021 Mumbai Indians
lost due to claims Jayant Yadav. My name is Neha. I am studying in 5th standard in the Veenakav High Secondary School. My class teacher's name is Soumya teacher. My sister's name is Sneha. She is studying in 10th standard in the P.R. Williams School. My father's name is Biju. My mother's name is Rani. My grandma's name is Victoria. Thank you.
Test reading by Amrita S.S. Clever Clara. One day the farmer loaded his wagon with grain and pitched up his only house. Farmer, wish me luck, Clara. I am going to the market and hope to return before dark with my pocket filled with money. Clara, good luck, Papa. Do come back soon. I will have the rest of the grain collected by the time you come back. In the street, merchant, hey, wait, my good fellow, I see you do fine work, very fine indeed. How much for everything? Farmer, 20 coppers. Clara, let's try my luck at selling this. In the street, merchant, young lady, you try. Perhaps I can help you. Clara, that would be very nice indeed. Merchant, how much for everything? Clara, how much will you give me? Merchant, these are difficult times, lady. This is all I can offer. Clara, everything in your hand. Merchant, yes, certainly. Clara, then it is a deal. Clara, oh, thank you. And I see then that you have 3 lovely rings. I will have them as well. Thank you. They are very colorful. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Devadanta V.S. I am studying 5th standard, Government VHSS Veenakav School. My mother name is Sunimol. She is a beautician. My father name is Binu. He is a driver. My brother name is Anandan B.S. He is studying in 9th standard. My hobbies are dance and singing. My ambition is doctor. My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite color is orange. Thank you.
Myself. My name is Amrita S.S. I am studying 6th standard. My school name is Government VHSS Veenakav. My brother name is Amal S.S. My brother studying 3rd standard. My father name is Suresh Kumar. My mother name is Soumya. My mother is a Children's Hospital working. My father is a driver. Thank you.
I am Vaishnavi SS. I am coming from Anakode. I am studying in 5th standard. I am studied Government VHSS Veenakav. My father name is Shivankuti. He is a shopkeeper. My mother's name is Suma Kepi. She is a housewife. I have a brother. He is Vishnu SS. My class teacher is Soumya teacher. She is my favorite teacher.
Teacher, I am Aram Lasar. I am studying in 5th standard. I reading English test. Unit 4, The Happy Prince. Happy Prince looked some side that the swallow was story. It is very cloud here is side, but I will say with you for one night and be your messenger. Thank you, little swallow, sighed the prince. So the swallow picked out the ruby from the prince. Sorry, sugar and flew away with it in his bag or the roof of the town. Thank you, teacher.